Hello, thank you, Rashmi. And first, yesterday I thanked Mr. Prithivasi once again. I don't know where he is, but thanks to him, this kind of a very informative talk by Rashmi. We got to hear that. So she is. First, let me just speak in two lines what Rashmi spoke about. She has covered everything about art appreciation in a gist, and she spoke about you know. All how we need to understand the difference between conceptual art as well as the inspirational art, and in a very systematic way. In fact, I would have been very happy to have see more students because she was very clear about it. So it's going to help students also as well as people who don't know about it. So, and after that, a very enlightening talk on AI by Mr. Sanjay. I have met him earlier, but this was very informative. AI is something, this tool, AI tool, in short, may give you a very short, example about AI and how it's being used, the chat GPT, so that you understand the context. See, as Rashmi told you, I have my Blue Dot Art Gallery, and there are a number of students who keep coming over with their artworks and all. And there are also very smart students who explain to me how I should upgrade my skills of Instagram and how I should be running my gallery. And I say, thank you very much for telling me. So I'll give an example. One person, he came to me, one young boy who was working for somebody and helping them with the social media, so to say. So he said, ma'am, you need to do this. He gave me 4-5 things. And he said, I'll share it with you. I said, okay, so you have a very good experience. Within 4 hours, he sent me a list of clearly a chat GPT prompt where he must have said, what are the points through which you run a gallery? So it was so obvious. So I said, excuse me, I may be of a certain genre, a certain age, but of course I can see a chat GPT prompt as soon as I can see one. So it is how you, just like Sanjay said, it's the tool is there for you, you should know how to use it. Now, the second thing which I would like to tell about the students about whom we are speaking and related to the gallery. So now there is the whole space of Delhi Collage of Art, and they have been having n number of excellent students coming from the institutions spread all over India, no doubt about it. And there is one thing which I need to appreciate, Renuji, is the fact that your students are really grounded into the academics of the art, the skill of the craft of art, not just just